No, beginning. You may be asking, what is Funkadelics? Lizzie, would you like to... They'll cut that. They'll cut that.
Just start again.
Sure.
Yeah.
Let me get into my serious mode. Okay. Hi guys, I'm Leanne from RMIT Funkadelics. I'm vice president for this year, and I'm here with...
Hi, I'm Lizzie. I am the videographer of RMIT Creative.
You may be asking, what is RMIT Funkadelics? Lizzie, how would you describe Funkadelics?
It is an amazing club community that celebrates dance, fun, and the experience of being young.
Yes, we hold dance classes, we hold events, we also collaborate with other dance communities and dance clubs in other universities as well around Melbourne, and we also hold workshops. We also have social dance parties, so in the club you can make friends and you can have your own little dance friends dancing around. And yeah, we also just hold a lot of opportunities.
We have so many people from different kinds of cultures, lifestyles, all from different countries.
Yes.
And we all we do get along and
join our club.
Join the club.
Join the club.
Amazing. You get awesome opportunities.
Awesome opportunities, leadership opportunities.
Dance in Melbourne, around Melbourne, learn from experienced people, learn from each other. You want to
edit like robot noise like